Hello. I'm working on a project now, HD FPV, with the possibility to have unlimited range. Yeah. Yeah, and I control it by telnet. And now some long-range FPV when my friend in Canada is driving the robot car here in Sweden.
Are you following it or are you in the computer room?
Yeah, now I'm in the computer room and looking at the video also.
That's great. What do we have over here?
I think it's a drawing.
Oh, some artifacts. Just as I suspected.
You can look inside that in the corner and see if the cat's there.
Left to right?
Right. There. Left.
That pink thing?
There, yeah.
The cat.
That's my projector canvas that I don't use.
What are you doing?
Yeah. Oh, it's not home. Now we have to drive back to the computer room. My wife's starting to get angry at the car.
Okay. Return to base.
Yeah.
The light down there?
Yeah.
Just tell her you're not controlling it. It's not, you're not responsible.
I don't drive. That's my shoes.
Life was make sure
Yeah.
it's safe.
Safely storage in the...
Yeah, seems to be good from here.
Yeah, here is the amazing FPV robot, and I built it in 5 minutes now. A very beautiful advanced design. So let's pick it apart. LiPo batteries that I had. I only used one LiPo batteries, but I put a bad one first and it was no power left in it, so I just taped a new one on top of it because the old one was embedded here. Yeah, the robot chassis I use is called RP5, and it has a bay for that, but they were not full, so that's why I used LiPo on top. And the chassis comes with motors and such. So here is the parts. Let's start with the control system first. It's just an Arduino with a motor driver shield and a XP shield, and on top of that is a Wi-Fi VLAN module from SparkFun. So I just written a little program so you control it over telnet. And here is how I control the robot now with this Wi-Fi card. I have logged into it by telnet and I change it to mode character here. And now I can control it by just W forward, that backward, that. Yeah. So control is over telnet. Yeah, and the camera I used is a webcam. It's a, I think it was like a HD 5000 or HD 6000 Microsoft Live Cam. I taped over it so it will be a bit waterproof, so I can't see that now, but it's good if the webcam you're gonna use, it has to support UVC, I think UCV, Linux standard video device, and most camera does that. And also it's very good if it have hardware motion JPEG compression. That way the compression is in the camera and it takes very little bandwidth. Yeah, and this is a cool part. It's a little router you can get from eBay for around $25, and it's a TP-Link VR703N, and it's the blue one. And what's cool with this is it has built-in network like N network speed and a USB port, and you can hack it and put in Linux on it. So that's what I've done. It's called OpenVRT, that. And then for streaming the picture from the webcam, I use a program called MJPEG Streamer. And you can, once you put Linux on it, you can like SSH into it and control what resolution you want and all kinds of stuff. And it's basically a computer, so you can do whatever a computer can in a smaller scale. But you can run like Python scripts and everything on it. Yeah, and also inside it on the circuit board there is like a serial port. So this one is just unnecessarily. I just had this and tested with the robot before, but you cannot. It's enough to only use this and connect this directly to the robotics drive circuit, and you can like log in by SSH and control the robot remotely and stuff. That would be totally possible. And also now I just had a camera connected to it, but you could have like a USB memory and record a video also, or a 3G modem, so you can have unlimited range if you put it on a plane or something. Yeah. And you can put like a USB hub there if you want to use multiple things at once. Yeah, now I connected a battery to it, and I'm gonna log into it by SSH. Do it like that. Yeah, I'm gonna type in the password. Yeah, now I have logged into that little router. Yeah, and now I start the MJPEG Streamer program here, and here I can choose frame rate and resolution and stuff. I now show 640 by 380. You can do 720p, but if there is much motion in the video, there is some artifacts in the video I noticed. There, now it's running. Yeah, and now I start on my computer local here. I start VLC with that address to that, and now I have have the camera running, and you can see me wave here. Yeah, there. You have to change VLC and set it up so it doesn't cache anything, because then you're gonna get a delay in the video feed. But if you set the caching to 0, it's... Yeah, and you can see the delay here. Here I hold my hand. Yes, it's a little bit delay, not much. And you can probably tweak the video receiver settings so it doesn't cache at all.